Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting rare items in Cyberpunk 2077 can feel impossible if you don't know where to look, but I'm gonna break down the best methods to farm these valuable drops. Step 1. Farm high-level enemies in endgame zones. Head to areas like Pacifica and the Badlands where you'll find level 50+ enemies. These guys drop way better loot than early game areas, and you'll consistently get rare blueprints and legendary gear. Make sure you're level 45 or higher before you attempt this. Step 2. Complete gigs from fixers to unlock exclusive vendor items. Each fixer in the game has special gigs that reward you with unique gear once you hit certain thresholds. Do the side missions, boost your reputation, and you'll unlock items that aren't available anywhere else. Step 3. Hack into legendary quick hacks and craft your own rare cyberware. Some of the rarest items come from crafting specs you find during jobs. Invest in your crafting skill tree and you can make legendary weapons and implants that rival anything you'll find dropped. Step 4. Use the secret vendor locations hidden throughout Night City. There are under-the-radar traders who sell rare stuff if you know where to find them. Check abandoned buildings and hideouts, talk to NPCs, and you'll discover vendors with inventory you won't see at Ripperdocks. Step 5. Join the best legendary farms and repeat boss encounters for guaranteed rare drops. Certain bosses respawn or have multiple instances, making them perfect for farming legendary gear repeatedly. Run these encounters with the right build, and you'll walk away with tons of rare loot every single time.